Hi class, I want to give you some tips for week 4's argument paper revised rough draft. As always, make sure that you read through the assignment directions carefully, but in a nutshell what you're going to be doing is taking your rough draft from last week and the feedback that you get from me on your rough draft, and you're going to review that feedback and think about what you've learned in class so far and improve your paper. Some things to keep in mind: make sure that you pay attention to all the margins, the font, the spacing, and your general APA conventions. Okay? I'm going to have feedback on your week 3 assignment about that. Okay? Another biggie, make sure that your paper's written in the third person. You want to make sure that you revise any instances where you refer to yourself or to the reader, because academic papers are written in third person perspective. We don't include I believe, I think, or personal evidence. That's not what we do in an academic essay. We look for academic evidence. Make sure that you've included properly formatted in-text citations with every paraphrase and every quote within your paper. Okay? If we remember, in-text citations have the author's last name, the year of publication, and a page or paragraph number where appropriate. And that's right with the paraphrase or quote. You also want to review your reference page and make sure that any corrections that I've noted to your reference page, that you fix those up. In addition, it's helpful to make sure that you're checking for grammar and spelling and punctuation, and double checking to make sure that you've cited everything properly. And there's some great tools in the CWE, the grammar checking tools, and the plagiarism checker to help you with that. If you'd like to review the grading guide, you'll notice in the grading guide that part of your grade is making sure that you're looking at the feedback from week 3. I get that back to you as soon as possible, but it is expected that you make corrections accordingly. If you have any questions as you go through this process, feel free to reach out, send me a message, give me a call. I look forward to reading your revised rough drafts.